All right, man, tell them what you did to the car.
I got a fully built 4.6 Ford bottom end, state 110, VSC CBS 2300, single blade TC 500 throttle body, mass airflow sensor, domestic heating air, got a full exhaust, headers, solid axle swap rear end, twin disc clutch, E56 Magnum transmission, car's ready. E85, twin pumps, big fuel system, everything. Got it all. Just put down 750 to the rear tires. Do it safe all day long.
Y'all heard that, 750 to the wheels.
Up here and out the back.
Gonna get y'all exhaust note. Told y'all I was coming with the car show. Told y'all I was coming with that car show, boy. So definitely, once again, True to Films LLC.
Here we have it.
Coming with that car show. Once again, Matt, what we talking about to the wheels?
750.
750 to the wheels.
750 to the wheels.
To the wheels. Told y'all we was coming with that car show.
It's the Hellcat Killer.
Hellcat Killer. And on top of that, this is not the Cobalt that I truly want to feature. We talking about a Cobalt with 400 horses. So imagine that, a Cobalt with 400 horses. So power to weight ratio, come on, come get some. All tunes, any bolt-ons.
Everything.
My man right here
Everything. One
does it all.
shop. Anything you need, right here, J&T Automotive.
Tell them how they can get located.
Call my phone, 412-760-6991. Look me up on Facebook. J&T Automotive and Performance.
So all y'all Mustang owners, don't be at that stoplight. Y'all see this shit, thinking it's some stock shit. That's not happening.
It'll be a sad day.
Definitely would be a sad day. You heard Matt say that. A sad day. Especially on them parkways.
You don't want to run into this car on the parkway.
But not only that, full bolt-ons, whatever you need done, any type of engine work.
Custom wiring, anything.
You
Motor
name it,
swaps,
it gets done.
anything. Whatever it may be. This is just one of the beginning. It's just an example.
Once again, Matt, give them a shout out. Give them your information, how they can get located.
J&T Automotive, 412-760-6991. Look me up on Facebook, J&T Automotive and Performance.